Make me freeze and cash. Kapusin na. Kapusin na. See. I think I needed you. Need you right now. I need you right now. Don't mana. Honey, no, you belong. Hey, 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 hey. Snowflake. Wow! Magic! I'm a witch. Look, snowflake. Tutorial how to make magic. First, rub your hand together. Faster. For 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll skip it. I'm so noisy. Then use feel your power vibrating. Now, before you let it go, put it in your head. Put all your anger in your power. Then look. No snow? Oh, I feel the power. Look, I have magic power. That's a power. Step 2. How to control your powers. You need to control the powers by using your mind. Look. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna practice. Look. Need to control your mind to control your powers. I'm gonna suck all my power. Look. And what? Now air bending. You need to stare directly at the sun so you can see your magic powers. My magic power color is purple, green, pink. That's the technique. Look. I'm gonna do my power again. And you have to do some yoga to warm the sun. Look, magic powers. If this works, give me a like and subscribe. Please don't post this in any social media. This is dark power. More power. We're beyond towards the sun. I'm gonna suck all my power. Need to generate heat. Few seconds. Wait, my magic power is too powerful. I need to suck it. Oh, give me a minute. There's some party because you cannot just make your powers disappear. Want me to make powers again? Sure. The magical switch. Gonna show you a technique. You cannot post this to any media because this is the magic power. You need to learn it. I learned it way when I was baby. One. Okay. You. So I'm gonna teach you magic power in the bedroom. Let's go. My magic power. Pa. Oh, okay. So magic power. You need to control your mind. You need to think of something. I'm thinking of snow. Magic power. Any person can do this. Before my mom speaks.